Hello, Mike Ritzema here with i3 Business Solutions, your September 2022 update. First, you might have received a mousetrap in the mail from us as an invitation to our Cybersecurity ArtPrize open house because we don't want you to get trapped by cybersecurity. And that open house is next Wednesday, September 28th from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Knickerbocker Brewery, the New Holland Brewery on Bridge Street, right behind me here, walking distance from I3. We're flying in Jason McNew to speak. He's got 25 years experience in IT, 12 years at the White House and Camp David communications agency. I guarantee you, you're going to hear insider stories from the White House and Camp David that will impress and amaze your friends. This guy worked on some of the most secure systems in the world for some of the most important people in the world. He's a U.S. Air Force veteran and CISSP certified. He's got a master's degree from Penn State in cybersecurity and information assurance. We're giving away $175 worth of gift cards. We're doing this in partnership with ConnectWise, one of the biggest cybersecurity organizations in the world. Secondly, I implore you again, vigilance and paranoia. Beyond reliability, R3, Managed Technology Services, the foundation, which includes OS patching and updating, cloud internet protection, firewall network protection, backup and recovery assurance, in a substantial process checklist. Our i3 Fortress Cybersecurity Services, we're emphasizing 5 things right now. Number 1, MFA, two-factor for email and cloud services. And be careful with MFA fatigue, the new challenge, pounding, saying, hey, confirm this login, wrong. I'm going to make sure that I actually had a new login before I confirm that login. EDR, endpoint detection and response, number 2. Number 3, password management. We're not using iPhone notes. We're not using Excel spreadsheets or Post-it notes. Phish testing and cybersecurity training for the human firewall, which is what failed at Uber. They tricked essentially one of their employees to giving out their password, and they were in to Uber, and you're reading about that all over the news right now. And then number 5, backup and recovery, the last layer of defense, confirming that. So for the Cybersecurity ArtPrize open house, register online, call, email, text, collar me, your BTA. Anybody at i3 Business Solutions to hear Jason McNew, 12 years at the White House, tell stories and learn about cybersecurity from 4 to 5 p.m. and then the open house after that. Get your free mousetrap at that time. Mike Ritzema signing off.